Hi guys, I hope that you're very well. It's Sylvana here and I am back for a new video on the Jewels and Gems YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today, I thought we'd talk about a very highly prized stone. A stone that sometimes can also get a little bit confusing for some people, because not everyone understands what is that big hype around it and why is it so sought after. And today we will be talking about Moldavite, which you can see here. So we'll be talking about what is Moldavite, what is the main properties, meanings associated behind it. Why is it such a highly prized and sought after stone? After all, if you're new to it and you've seen it around, we'll talk about the Zodiac stones, the chakras, and everything else you might want to know about the very cool, interesting, and unique Moldavite crystal. So I might just show you here another one, just so you can get a bit of an idea. That's a necklace I'm wearing here. This is a beautiful Moldavite from the Czech Republic. Same for that one here. So you might be wondering, what is even Moldavite? What is it? I've never heard of that one before. Maybe you're new and you've never heard of Moldavite before. Well, the other thing that's very cool about Moldavite is that, well, first of all, it comes from a meteorite that hit the earth, and that's, how we got to get that beautiful stone for us all. And what's happening is that Moldavite is very expensive. I'm sure you would have noticed, crazy prices for pieces of Moldavite. Or pieces of Moldavite jewelry can also be very expensive, and you're like, what is all that about the stone? You might be thinking it's not the most appealing looking stone, it looks a bit funny, has a lot going on, but at the same time it's not something you'd be like, ooh, look at that, it's not shiny or sparkly or anything. So you might be wondering, what's going on there? Well, it's very simple. Because obviously now it comes from a meteorite. What's happening is that obviously there's not much of it. It's very rare, and the thing is, because of trade and commercialization of it, it's becoming rarer and rarer as time goes, and that's the big deal, and if I was to explain, what signs would be associated with Moldavite, I think it can work for everyone, but it's particularly good for obviously Aquarius, which is why we're talking about it today during Aquarius season, but also Scorpio and Capricorn. These three would really get the most out of these beautiful crystals' benefits and properties. So you might be wondering, like, what else is it? Must be something else. It can't be just because it's a meteorite that it's just so popular and everyone is raving about it. Well, there's just so much more about it. Moldavite is like, the easiest way to explain it is that it's a stone that's associated with the idea of initiating transformation and bringing an acceleration of spiritual evolution to our lives. It also helps in activating the dream states. It's very good for that, and prized by healers for that. And it has the energy and ability to neutralize the hold of hypnotic commands, which is another reason why it's very sought after by any holistic healers. And it's a stone that promotes spiritual awakening because of that connection to the space and extraterrestrial life, and the transformation of the self. That's really what Moldavite is all about. And if you feel a strong connection to it, so for example, if you're someone that happens to have seen Moldavite, maybe you've seen it in a shop and you'll be like, oh wow, what is that? That's just calling me right now. Or maybe right now as you're watching me and you're looking at the piece of Moldavite and you're like, whoa, you feel drawn to it for some reason. Your intuition is telling you that there's something there for you. well, it could be that you're enjoying maybe a sense of spiritual protection, and that's what you need at the moment in your life. Maybe you're at a stage where you feel like you need negative energy to be prevented from your aura because there's just so much going on around you, and you feel that that's what you're drawn to at the moment. That could be it. The easiest way for me to explain, for those of you that are still a bit wondering what's all that about, I like to compare Moldavite to the phoenix, the idea and the representation of the phoenix. It's like consumed and reborn by fire. That's how we know the phoenix as this beautiful creature, symbol of spiritual renewal. And it's also referred to as the philosopher's stone, the grail of alchemists, and the Holy Grail, some people also will refer to as, because it has that quality of transformation and that bestowal of youth and longevity. That's literally what Moldavite represents and is associated with. So, you know, that would be the main connection. You know, it's also said to have a lot of other great properties associated with it, but that would be the easiest ones in a nutshell to really explain, guys, to you very easily what it's about. It's also, you know, a great stone because it really represents, I feel, that beautiful blend between cosmic energies, as it's a meteorite obviously, but also the Mother Earth power, you know, and it possesses really that beautiful fusion of earthly energies and obviously spiritual qualities, which, you know, create that wonderful experience of you know, obviously spiritual development and earthly, bit of a tongue twister, earthly you know, progress, and to bring that to your own life path. So for me, that's literally in a nutshell how I would explain that huge hype about Moldavite. And please be careful as well. I can talk about this in another video if you guys are interested, but because it's so highly prized, because it's so expensive, unfortunately it's one of those you're going to start to see a lot more and more of how can I say that in a nice way without offending anyone? Well, just a lot of fakes out there. So you're gonna see a lot of replication of Moldavite. So it's going to look like Moldavite. It may even be advertised to you as Moldavite, but be careful because that does not mean that it's genuine. So if you wish, guys, I can do maybe on another day a video explaining about how to recognize real Moldavite from fake Moldavite. Always ask, you know, your seller, for example, wherever you get it from, where is it being sourced? Do they know the location? You know, and see what they say. And you know, definitely because of that prize, you know, field, there's a lot of people that are just trying to take advantage of the trend, and they're just trying to see if they can get hold of some of that. And it's definitely something that is terrible, and you know, something I really don't encourage. So please, guys, whenever you're buying Moldavite, always ask for information, you know, and always look at the photos, because there will be signs that can tell you if it's genuine or not. But we'll talk about it later on, because I think you could do a whole video just talking about, you know, real stones, fake stones, and all that, you know. So in terms of chakras, just to finish it off, obviously we're going to be talking about the, let's start from the bottom, you know, so the heart, the third eye, and obviously the crown, because of that color, and obviously because of all the meaning associated with it. It kind of makes sense that it will be those three. So yeah, that would be more so it about Moldavite in a nutshell, just to make it easy and clear. Please let me know, guys, in the comment section below, what do you guys think about Moldavite? Do you resonate with everything that I said? you know, a lot of people usually say that whenever you get a piece of Moldavite, you can experience like things like levels of awareness and awakening that, you know, is just out of this world. So it'd be very interesting to see if any of you guys would know any of that or would have experienced it. Please let me know in the comment section below, how do you feel about Moldavite? Do you have some? Is it on your wish list? And please make sure you subscribe to the channel, because it means a lot. It helps us and grow and be able to give you more. Let us know as well in the comment section below, what crystal would you like to talk about next? What is there for you that you would love to hear about, or you need maybe more information or explanation about? And I'll be delighted to help you guys. This is all about, you know, helping the community and helping you all guys to just, yeah, better understand crystals and the world of crystals and crystal healing in general. So make sure as well you stay tuned. The ebook that we have free is coming very, very soon now. We're getting very close. You can get your hands on it if you go on jewelsandgems.shop, and if you make sure that you subscribe to the Jewels and Gems VIP club. And this is how you're going to get our first ebook for free. Thank you so much guys for watching. I wish you a lovely day, and I'll be talking to you tomorrow.